You're watching Granite Shore Studios.
So I got this bike off Amazon a few years ago. It's been sitting. It was only like 1,800 bucks.
Now available in red, black, and white. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new design. This boasts a 250cc engine capable of speeds of going 85 miles an hour. You're absolutely going to love this bike. You can take it on the freeway and be assured you are going to keep up with traffic. This crate comes with the bike inside already assembled. All you have to do is hook up the battery, put some air in the tires, and maybe a little bit of gas in the tank, and you're ready to rock and roll. Get it now. It's on Amazon. Delivered to your home. You're gonna love it. The link is in the description. It takes you straight to the bike, and you can order it from right there. This bike is way cooler than mine. My bike is more like a scooter. I can go 45 on mine. I have to keep it on the little local streets. But this new bike is amazing. It comes with the title with it. You take the title to DMV, you exchange it for your state title, then you go over to the other DMV and you get your license plates. This bike can be street legal. It's extremely cheap to have insurance on this bike. You're gonna love it. It's an absolute good alternative for cheap fuel. Get to work. It's fun.